Hi, welcome to Simply Knowledge. Here we are going to discuss about one of the Excel formula dated if. What exactly this dated if, how it works. Excel dated if function is used are helpful in calculate the difference between two dates. The dated if function computes the difference between 2 days in a variety of different intervals such as the number of years, months or days between the dates. This function is available in all versions of Excel, and this table will help you while using the formula. And coming to the demonstration of Excel formula dated if. Here, to use this dated formula, what are your requirements? You want to know the date as on today if you know the date of birth. Here, that's why I'm taking two inputs. One is date of birth. Suppose the date of birth is 1/1/1980, and if current day is 6/4/2014, then I want to calculate the date, number of months, number of years and number of days as on today between these two. What is the formula? Dated if and the function b1 and b2 is how many years, and then give me the results of number of years. First I will explain until the number of years. See, here you will the results are 34 years. 34 years 2014 to 1980, 34 years. And I will extend this formula to number of months and number of days. How to extend this? You can use the same formula but with slight modification. You have to take AND as a differentiations, and here same b1 to b2 you are calculating the differences between date of birth and the current date, but you need here months, so that function you have to use ym here, so that you will get months. And then what exactly you want output is months, number of months, months, and I will extend the same to number of days. Dated if function b1 to b2, cell b1 to b2, and but here you want number of days, so I'm typing here md, that is month dates, so that you will get the days here, and ultimately the output is days. Now we will run this formula to get the results. What exactly the results are? 34 years 5 months 3 days. Once again I will demonstrate the formula how it is working. Dated if, dated if, and function b1 and b2, the cell 1 cell 2, b1 and b2, because you required the difference between these two dates as your age here. So b1 and b2, and then what exactly you required, years as output, and then close, and then and what is the text you have, it has to appear is years, and then dated if, subsequently months, subsequently days, with some change of ym and md. Hope you understand this formula. Thank you.